Today we're going to be exporting and testing these trousers. So to start with, you want to go File, Clean Up, Unused Data Blocks. That's just going to get rid of anything in the file that we're not using anymore. You also want to get rid of any excess images that aren't being used as well. And any materials that aren't being used, delete them. I'm going to change the name of this because that's going to interrupt with the shading, the skin shader. So just name it trousers. And go ahead, export. And this time we want to export as a .glb. You also want to make a female version as well. There's a previous video on how to adapt your male into a female shape. So once you've done that, do the same with this. Export.glb again. And then we can go ahead and start making the collection in Decentraland. So click plus new collection. Click add item and locate where you saved the .glb files. Now it doesn't matter which one you select first, either the male or female, but that will determine what thumbnail is automatically generated. So if you first put in the male model, the automatic thumbnail is going to be generated from the male mesh. If you have a big difference between the male and female, maybe you want to create a custom thumbnail which shows both representations, so the buyer knows exactly what they get. So I'm going to select male. This isn't part of an existing collection, existing item, sorry. And go rare and lower body. Click create. As you can see here, the collection's slightly changed. You don't have the edit button. It says incomplete where it used to say edit. So just click these three red dots and go open in editor to get to where you would previously. There's them. We can click these three dots here, add new item to import the female version. This time select female, and is this part of an existing item? We want to click yes and select the male model that we used last time. We can test them out as well. Female. Yep, looking good so far. Now if you go back to the collection, click these three red dots and go see in world. This is going to take us to the test net of the Genesis Plaza where we can actually play with the files. Make sure you change over to Go Early test net by going on to your MetaMask, click networks. If you don't see it, you see here where it says show hide test networks, click that and then you can get access to the test networks. So once you've selected that, refresh the page. Okay, so now we're in the test area. We can close all these things that we don't need. and press I to open the backpack. And then you come straight to the collectibles page. So here you can see we're a female model. Just test that out. You want to pay attention to the waist, where the upper body connects to the lower body. Make sure there's no gaps opening up there. And also to the ankle. These are looking alright to me, so I'll go ahead and check the male one. Yep. So go body, select the male body shape, and go into collections and select the item again. And do the same here. Yeah, it seems like they're all good to go. So now you can go ahead, go back to the Ethereum mainnet, onto your builder, the set price of whatever year you want them to be. If you want two mana price, you can set that. I think if it's underneath 1 mana cost, then the buyer will have to take care of the gas fees, whereas if it's over 1 mana, Decentraland take care of the gas fees when people purchase it. You also have to make it free, but and the beneficiary will be where the funds go to after a sale, and also where the royalties from secondary sales will go to. So make sure you've got that set to your address. For some reason it's just got a random address in there, I'm not sure why that's happening, so always double check that. Put my address in now, so I can save that. So you'll find if you don't refresh the page after changing your network, it will just keep spinning forever, so just give it a refresh if you've got to refresh it. Like I did, I just went to the other tab and continued as normal. So give that a refresh and try again. Set price, put in my address, and there you go. So that's all ready for publication now. So you can get, if you don't know how to do that, there's a video that I made on how to publish those wearables. So yeah, that's how to make your trousers and get them ready for in-game. I'll catch you on the next one.